In today's lecture, we are going to see one new sum on fund flow statement. Now we'll start solving the sum. Before that, just read the sum. From the following balance sheet, you are supposed to prepare fund flow statement. Assets and liabilities are given. So for first step, that is the step that shows working capital changes. So we need to identify current assets and current liabilities for the same. So what we are going to do? So if you check to this side, we have to identify the current assets. This only three are the current assets. To this side, if you go, this four are the current liabilities and provisions actually, but just as we have discussed for provision of tax and provision for dividend, if it is given in the sum, for this we'll create separate accounts. We are not going to consider in the step number 1. First, we are starting with this first step, that is statement showing changes in working capital. So all these three and all these two, we are going to put it in the format. So you can easily see stock, debtors, cash in hand. This three I have put it here. Stock, debtors, cash in hand, last year's amount, this year's amount, and the two current liabilities. So same I have done here. So first I have shown the current assets. Under current assets, three current assets with the last year and this year amounts. Same way, current liability may say creditors and bills payables I have shown with the amounts. Now, the next thing that you have to do is you have to identify increase or decrease in the working capital by applying the rules which I have already given you. So, increase in the current assets resulting in increase in the working capital, decrease in the current assets resulting in decrease in the working capital. Current liabilities exactly reverse way. If increase in the current liability is there, then decrease in the working capital, and decrease in the current liabilities if it is there, then increase in the working capital. Apply those rules and find it out. Now you can easily find it here. Stock has increased by 1 lakh. So resulting in 1 lakh increase in the working capital. So I'm just writing the amount here, 1 lakh. Now next, if you see debtors amount last year and this year, you can easily identify compared with the last year, your debtors have reduced this year. ये current year amount है, this is previous year amount. So compared with last year, this year's debtors have reduced by 1 lakh, resulting in decrease in working capital. So here there's nothing written. Now next line, decrease in the working capital by 1 lakh because of decrease in the debtors. Now next, if you see, compared with previous year, okay, 60,000 increase. So I'm just writing it in the increase column, 60,000. So this has increased by 60,000, resulting in increase in working capital. So I have shown it here, right? So next you can check current liabilities are given, and in current liabilities, if you check, this has reduced by the reverse effect on the working capital. So this has reduced by 50,000, resulting in increase of 50,000 reverse pay. Okay, so this has reduced, then also this is going to increase the working capital, that is by 40,000. You can easily see this too has reduced, but ये reduce हुआ है तो working capital increase होता है, so we are writing it in the increase column. Now next you need to do total of this and total of this, 1 lakh. So I'm writing it here, 1 lakh. So this side 1 lakh, then this is 2,50,000. Now since if you take out this and this one is more, so increase column is more. So net increase in working capital equals to 2,50,000 plus 1 lakh equals to 2,50,000 minus 1 lakh, that is 1,50,000. So this net increase, where it is going to go now, this amount is going to go to application side of fund flow. I'm just showing this in green because this we are going to write in the fund flow application side, right? So all the amounts which are going to fund flow, I'm showing with the green mark. Now next, provision for tax and provision for dividend, if any, we have seen under step number 2, we are going to create the accounts, right? So now go back here, find out the adjustments for creating the accounts. So first adjustment is on building, you have to charge depreciation. Same with the machine. So depreciation ke liye we have to create building and machinery account. So I have highlighted it here. So account creation needs to be done for building and machinery. Next, additional provision for tax. So already for provision for tax and dividend, we are creating accounts. There we are going to put this amount. Then dividend paid during the year, again, this is final dividend. So we are going to, since nothing is said, interim nahi bola hai, so this will be covering in the final dividends only. So ye aapke provision for dividend account mein include hoga. Then one part of a building and one part of a machine is sold. Then already we are creating those two accounts. We'll write this information in those accounts. You can easily find out from the given information. This 1, 2, 3, and 4, we have to create the accounts. Now check to this side. If you go, furniture balance has also changed and long-term investment balance has also changed. Apart from this 1, 2, 3, and 4, you need to also create accounts for furniture and the long-term investment because their balances have changed. But for this, you have, what we say, you can skip this if you can understand directly that furniture is not there, means you may have sold it, and long-term investment has increased, so you may have bought it. So you can directly write these two amounts in the final statements, or for this you can create account as well. Compulsory nahi hai for creation of this two, 1, 2, 3, and 4 accounts we have to create. Along with that, if you want this and this also, you can create. If you decide to create this 4 accounts and this 2 accounts, always remember all the asset side accounts which you are creating. Opening balance will be debit balance, closing balance will be credit balance, right? So to be recorded to the credit side, I mean, right? So all the things which you are recording to this side will be having credit balances. So opening balance to the credit side, closing balance to the debit side. Same way with this. So now we'll create the account. Check out building account, opening and closing balance 3 and 3 lakh, machinery 2 lakh and 1 lakh. So I'm just showing it in the format. Step number 2, preparation of various accounts. Building account I have created, opening balance 3 lakh, closing balance 3 lakh. Then machinery account, opening balance 2 lakh, closing balance 1 lakh. Same way, provision for tax and provision for dividend we are creating this one. So 1,40,000 is the opening and closing balance of tax account. Provision for dividend account 90,000 and 60,000. But since these are credit balances, opening balance I'm showing it to the credit side first. This is to the recorded credit side first, 1,40,000. Same with this account I'm creating, opening balance 90,000, closing balance 60,000. Along with that, you can create furniture account and the investment account. That is what I said. So I have already created the accounts. Okay, just the pro forma I'm saying, right? Now I have to record all the transactions, and then once we are done with all the first 2 steps, then you can go for 3 and 4th step simultaneously. So let's go back to the adjustment. We'll start writing all the adjustments. So depreciation has been charged on building. So on building, first we'll charge depreciation. So building ka value hoga kam, so we are going to record it to the credit side. So I'm just showing it here, building account. When we write to this side, your balance increases. When we write to this side, balance decreases. So here you can either write by depreciation, okay, or you can write by profit and loss account. It is up to you. If you write by depreciation, the account involved in bracket, you can write profit and loss account, or you can write by profit and loss account, and the narration is depreciation, what it is exactly. It is up to you. So if you write depreciation here, it is going to go to profit and loss account. So it is equally correct if you write profit and loss account here first, and what that is narration is the depreciation. So how much depreciation we are charging, that much amount we are going to show. For building, we are charging 80,000. So I'm showing it 80,000 here. 80,000 depreciation. Now next, check out relating to the building, or you can go sequentially if you wish. Now building may we have charged the depreciation. In machinery, you can charge 50,000. So same way, machinery value we are reducing. So this is machinery account. If you write to this side, balance will increase. If you write to this side, balance is reducing. So same, just this we are going to create. Same, I'm writing it here also. So by depreciation, so here we are charging 50,000 depreciation. Just we have recorded depreciation here and here. Okay, nothing else. This is your closing balance. I'm writing it here. Okay. So only depreciation we have recorded. Now next we'll check out the adjustments, other adjustments given. This we are done. So just highlighting this. Okay, this is done. Now next, additional provision for tax. You can record right now only. Provision when you create from the profit and loss account. So you can easily understand this 60,000 you will be charging to profit and loss account debit side for creating the provision, and provision account ka balance badhega 60,000 se. So provision for tax account we are going to go 60,000. So this provision for tax account. Okay. Provision balance has credit balance. Now, when you will create more provision, this credit balance will increase. Means we are going to write to this side only. How much provision you are creating? 60,000. Okay. So same 60,000, we are going to write it to the credit side. 60,000 already 1 lakh ka provision tha, plus more 60,000 rupees provision we are creating. From where we create this provision? From profit and loss account. So why? Profit and loss account. So what this is? In bracket you can write this is provision created for your information. ये है provision for tax. Okay. So already 1 lakh was opening balance. Now you have created more 60,000 provision. Okay. Check if any other information we have relating to tax. Provision for taxes done. Next is dividend related here. Next and this building and machinery. So we are done with this account. You can close or you just write all the adjustments. Then you can close the accounts. Now next adjustment is relating to dividend. Dividend paid during the year. 10% on equity shares on opening balance. 10% dividend you are paying on equity shares opening balance. So this is equity shares here. So on opening balance means on 3 lakh, you are paying 10%. So dividend comes to 30,000. Easily you can see 10% on opening balance means 10% of 3 lakh. So you're going to pay, this will come to 30,000. This much dividend you are going to pay. Now we are creating this dividend account, opening balance with 90 and closing balance with 60. So same thing I'm showing it in this account. Only 30,000 dividend paid I have to show. तो ये आपका provision for dividend account है. So since it is a provision account, opening balance to the credit side, closing balance to the debit side. Before we show the dividend paid 30,000, what is said? Provision created नहीं है. This is dividend paid है. Okay. So payment है. You are utilizing the provision. ये आपका provision का account. See, one thing that I have given you in notes, if provision for dividend account has any opening balance, is to be paid immediately in cash. So it already has opening balance. So this needs to be first paid. Okay. So I'm showing it to this side. So provision created, provision utilized. So what I'm doing is I'm just showing this payment. So what this is? Dividend paid. How you pay the dividend? Dividend account debit to cash or bank. So cash or bank account. So what this is? In bracket you can say dividend paid. So I'm just writing paid because already that is a dividend account. So I can understand ye dividend paid here. Okay. So 90,000, whatever is the opening balance is to be immediately paid in cash. Only for provision for dividend account I have given you note. So this I'm paying immediately in the cash. So what does it mean? Whatever provision you have created last year for paying the dividend, that is to be immediately paid. तो जो भी create ये पैसे अलग से रखे थे for paying the dividend, this we are paying. Now 30,000 more we are paying this year. So where it should come, to this side or this side? Tell me, debit or credit side? Dividend paid 30,000.
Debit side.
Yes, very good. Debit side. Provision created, provision utilized means provision paid. Okay, so he to this side will come. So cash or bank, same amount. Cash or bank. So cash or bank account will get credited because you are making payment, and this account will get debited. Expense है for you dividend account, debit to cash and bank. So ये है dividend paid. This is again dividend paid, 10% on the opening balance. So ये है 30,000. There's no adjustment for this, so we are going to create or end with this account. This also we are done, so you can close these two accounts. So 160 to this side, 40 to this side, this is more. So I'm writing it here, 1,60,000. Now this same 1,60,000, I'm writing it here. Out of 160, 40 is already there. Remaining balance is 1,20,000. What do you think this is? Balancing amount. To this side provision created. To this side provision utilized means what you are doing? पैसे अलग से रखे टैक्स पे करने के लिए. Now what you are doing? You are using that means you are paying the tax. When you pay the tax account debit to cash or bank account. तो ये है tax paid. Okay. So provision created, provision utilized. Okay. 1 lakh already था plus और 60,000 का provision create किया. Now you can easily understand by applying some common sense. कैसे? कि suppose पहले से 1 lakh थे, right? So when you already had 1 lakh rupees provision, okay, you are also supposed to create, you have created provision during the year 160. So if you already had 1 lakh rupees kept aside for paying taxes, then during the year also you have kept aside 60,000 rupees. So in a year you have kept aside 160,000 rupees. But now if you see closing balance, that is only 40,000. So out of 160, if only 40,000 is left, that does mean इसमें से if only this much is left means remaining you have paid in terms of taxes. That is how you can cross verify, right? Now this is also done, so we'll close this. To this side only 90,000, this side is more, so do total of this 90,000 and this is 90,000, so 1,80,000. Same amount I'm writing it to this side also. Out of this now only 90,000 is there, so remaining 90,000 is the balancing amount. Now what this balancing amount is, this is provision for dividend account which is shown to the credit side. So if I'll write to this side, again provision ka balance is going to increase. So from where you are creating this provision? From profit and loss.
P&L.
Yes, very good. So from profit and loss account we are creating this. So what is this? Provision created. So additional provision you can say, or provision. Okay, additional provision if you say, that is also fine because this is a balancing amount. So you may think this may be the additional provision which you have created. You were having opening balance 90,000, okay, which is supposed to be paid immediately. So opening balance जो भी थे account में पूरा का पूरा payment किया, okay, then और 30,000 का payment किया. Now just try and understand how you can relate it with common sense. If you can understand, if you cannot understand account, at least you can understand when you create dividend provision, you are creating it with the intention for making payment of dividend to the shareholders. If I have created provision last year, it means I have decided to pay them dividend of 90,000. That's the reason why I have kept it aside. So this is to be immediately paid. So I have paid the entire amount. Now it should not be, मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं होना चाहिए अभी. This is created, this is paid this year. So balance is nil. Still I have paid 30,000 on जो भी आपका opening balance of equity है, on that I have paid 10%. So I have paid 30,000. Still balance is showing 60,000. How come? If this I have already paid, there's nothing else. Still 30,000, okay? 30,000 extra I paid, and still it is showing this 60,000 closing balance. So you can easily understand closing balance plus ये payment कैसे है आपके पास. So this 90,000 is the new provision you have created. ये पेमेंट करने के लिए प्लस दिस इज द क्लोजिंग बैलेंस विच इज स्टिल देयर इन द अकाउंट. So this plus this new provision. If you have paid this, there should not be anything. Still you have paid this much and this is left. So this is the new provision created, which we are showing as a balancing amount. We are done with this and this also. Now next, this to find out the value of the building which you are selling. One part of building, 1 lakh rupees, depreciated by 80,000, was sold for 70,000. So though this is given, this is not the amount which you are actually going to use. You need to find out value of the building which you have sold. One part of a building जिसका value 1 lakh था, depreciated by 20,000, means 1 lakh less 20,000. How much is the value of the building then? 80,000, which you are selling for 70,000. Now, if I am selling something which is having 80,000 value and receiving 70,000, it means 10,000 ka loss hai. So I'll write it here for your understanding. So if I'm selling the part of a building, so cash comes in. How much cash comes in? Cash account debit when cash comes in. So cash comes in 70,000. Next line, you are suffering a loss. Why loss? 80,000 was the value of that part you have sold. So that 80,000 you are selling for 70,000. So 10,000 ka loss hai, which we charge to profit and loss account. So profit and loss account is going to get debited. So that will be debited by 10,000. Two, आपका building account है. Building is getting credited. Building is going out. So building account credit. So you can easily understand cash comes in 70,000, profit and loss 10,000 is the loss which will charge to profit and loss account debit side, and building is going to go reduce, value is going to reduce. So ye building account will get credited by 80,000. Only this we have to show in the account now. Cash account will get debited. So cash account nahi hai hamare paas, we will not be writing this. We have profit and loss account. In profit and loss account debit side we'll write this. What is this? Loss on sale of building. Profit and loss account debit side. So I'm writing the amount here. Profit and loss account debit side. This profit and loss. To the debit side I'm writing to loss on sale of building. So instead of writing this, I can write in the account first and then I can transfer. That is again one option I have. So profit and loss account debit side, maybe we're going to write this, and a building account gets credited by these two accounts. So we'll write it separately. In building account credit effect, building account credited by profit and loss and by cash both. Okay, 70 and 10,000. The building account is here. Building account gets credited. So I'm writing to this side by cash. So what this is? Sale 70,000 and one more by profit and loss account. So what this is? Loss 10,000. Now you can see this plus this 80,000. Building, part of a building goes out 80,000. You can see easily building account gets credited by 80,000. So 70,000 cash comes in and this is the loss 10,000. You need to always see whatever is the part of a building which you are selling, exactly utna credit effect hai ya nahi wo account mein. So we are crediting this building account by 70,000 cash which we receive and the loss which you are suffering 10,000. Now we are done with this transaction. There is no other transaction relating to building. Same way we'll write for this. One part of machine, rupees 60,000, which was depreciated by 10,000, means 60,000 less 10,000, means this value of the machine part was 50,000. 50,000 you are selling for 50,000. So there's no profit, no loss. You have got exactly the 50,000 amount. So only there will be one effect now. Okay, now same thing I'm doing. Just there is no loss. So I'm removing this. Cash comes in. How much cash comes in here? 50,000. 50,000 is the cash comes in when I sell the part of a machine. So machinery account, here I'm writing. Machinery goes out and cash comes in 50,000. There's no profit, no loss. So 50,000 cash comes in, 50,000 machinery goes out. So only this we have to record. So machinery account, credit effect, 50,000. The other account involved is cash. So I'm just showing this here. Machinery account credited by cash. So what this is, a sale. Amount you're getting 50,000. We are done with this last also. So we are done with all the entries, right? So we will close all the accounts and then we'll start with the last step, creation of the two accounts, right? Now, this one, building will close, will go sequentially. We are closing the building account. 3 lakh to this side more than 3 lakh. So do addition of this first, 3 lakh plus this, plus this, plus this. Find it out.
4
4
lakh
lakh
60,000.
60,000. Yes, 4 lakh 60,000. So I'm writing it here, 4 lakh 60,000. Same 4 lakh 60,000 I'm writing to this side and balancing the account. Out of this, already 3 lakh is here. The missing balance is 1 lakh 60,000. Balancing of accounts, if you remember, 4 lakh 60 means already 3 lakh is there. Only 1 lakh 60 is missing. Now what this missing amount may be, when your asset accounts gets debited, when you are buying more asset. This is real account. What is the rule? Debit what comes in. When more building will come in the business, then debit effect. So when you buy more building means you are purchasing, means you are spending cash. Building account debit to cash or bank account is nothing but purchase of building. Because while writing in the fund flow, you need to remember what this is. Purchase of building. This is balancing amount. This account we have to close. To this side 2 lakh, to this side 2 lakh. Automatically it is getting balanced. So no need to do anything, just as it is, write it down. 2 lakh to this side, 2 lakh to this side. Close here. Now this we have already closed. If not, you can close it right now. Because right? So what we have done, this side was more, so we have written it first 160 here, 160 we have taken here. Only 40,000 was the closing balance, means remaining is the tax paid. Okay. So same way, provision for dividend opening balance we have paid first, then we have paid this much also, then this is the closing and opening balance. So if you check, this side is more, so I'm writing it here, same I have written it here. Out of this only 90,000 was there, then more 90,000 may have come from the profit and loss account as an additional provision. As I said, for this too, you need to create accounts, or you can directly write in the fund flow statement. So I'm creating the account and showing it here. So iska opening balance 90,000 and iska kuch nahi hai at the year end. Long-term investments 1 lakh and 2 lakh. So I have created these two accounts. The furniture account, you can see it here. Opening balance is here, closing balance is nil. Opening balance and closing balance is 2 lakh, right? So I'm just balancing this as it is balances. To this side, there's nothing. To this side, 90,000. So I'll write this 90,000 here. Same 90,000, I will be writing it to this side. Out of this, there's nothing here. So entire balance will come as a balancing amount, 90,000. So what this 90,000 may be when your furniture account will get credited. This is a real asset.
Sales.
Yes, sales. So buy. You can write this when you are selling the furniture. Furniture goes out and cash comes in. Cash account debit to furniture. Means furniture account credited by cash or bank. So this is sale. It may have happened. You have sold the furniture. That's the reason why there's nothing. Pehle tha 90,000. Okay. And now you don't have. Means you have sold it. This is balancing amount. Same way you have to do for this. This side is more. Closing balance is more than opening balance. This I'm writing it here. Same I'm writing it here. Out of this, 1 lakh is already there. 1 lakh is the missing balance. What this may be when the long-term investment, this is asset account. This comes in the business, then it will get debited. Means you are spending cash. So investment debit to cash or bank balance. What is this? Purchase of investment. This is how now we have balanced all this. Now just see what you have to do once you are done with all these accounts. you need to just transfer the amounts. जो भी whatever cash and bank balance amount you can find it here. Then here also cash or bank balance you should write this, right? This also. So cash and bank amount जो है that will go to the fund flow. All the profit and loss account amounts will go to the profit and loss accounts. Now we'll start from the entire statement when we'll start for two last steps. So here I'm starting with this. So liabilities side से शुरू करेंगे. Equity share capital was 3 lakh, now it is 4 lakh. What has happened? 1 lakh increase. What it is? What it may be?
Investment.
Yes. So
Yes,
that is issue of share capital. So you have increased the share capital by issuing. So you can see 3 lakh was the share capital. Now it is 4 lakh. Means 1 lakh more you may have issued. So this will go to the fund flow. Issue kiya means you will get the money. So fund flow statement, sources side, issue of equity share capital, 1 lakh. So whatever amount has increased, whatever money you have got extra because of the issue, only that we are showing. Now go to the again first statement form, this one. 3 ka 4 ho gaya, 1 lakh we have shown as an issue. Preference has reduced. So you may have redeemed it. So redeem kiya means you are going to pay for it. So this is will be application, 1 lakh payment, okay, for redemption of preference share. So in the fund flow, paise ja rahe apne, right? So application side, redemption of preference capital. So 1 lakh. Now next debentures. If you see the debentures, 1 lakh के 2 lakh हो गए, increase हो गया. Increase कब होगा? When you are issuing the debentures. So you may have issued debentures of 1 lakh. So issue किया means you are going to receive the money. So again issue of debenture share capital or debentures you can say. So 1 lakh. So if capital increases means you are making the issue and you are receiving the money. If money is getting reduced, it means you are redeeming it by paying the money, right? So this 1, 2, 3 we are done. Profit and loss, we have already created the account. वहाँ से amounts लेंगे. Same with this all. Same with this 1, 2, 3, 4 all. Now we have created accounts of all. तो वहाँ से ही amounts लेंगे directly. We will not be using this amounts, right? Because this we have created account. This we have covered in working capital statement. For this also we have created account. If you haven't created the account, then directly from here you have to take this to the statements. So sale of furniture, तो sell किया means you will get the money. ये cash आपका sources side of fund flow, and this has increased means you have paid for investment. 1 lakh more invested means application side of cash flow. It will go directly if you haven't created the account. Account create किए है then वहाँ से लेंगे amounts, right? Now all the adjustments we are done, but still read it. Depreciation we have charged, provision we are done. This also, this also, this also. It may happen if it is interim dividend, you may forget to take that, right? So just check. We are done. Now this amount is increase in the working capital. First working note, 150. We'll show it to the application side of fund flow statement. Net increase in the working capital. So 1,50,000. Net increase in the working capital. Now second step se shuru karo. First step we are done. Only this amount we require. Second step, now check out all the profit and loss account amounts. Okay. Depreciation, profit and loss account debit side, it will go. Whatever is recorded to credit side will go to debit side of profit and loss, right? So this will go to debit side. This will also go to debit side of profit and loss. Loss on sale of building and a depreciation. So I'm showing it here in profit and loss account. Okay. Here, 2, depreciation. Since I know there are 2 depreciations, so I'm keeping space for writing 2. One is on building, one is on stationery. Loss on sale of building. So I'm writing it here. 10,000. I'm showing it here. So just check what we have done. This we have covered. This loss we have covered. Okay. Now cash amounts you take this. Sale kiya means you will get the cash. Sources side में दिखाना है this को. So sources side, sale of building 70,000, fund flow. All cash and bank amounts in the fund flow. You will receive the money by selling the sale of building. So sale of building 70,000. So you are receiving cash of 70,000. Now check, this is the account which we are discussing. This is done. This is done. This loss is also done. This side is done. This is 160. ये है purchase. Purchase है तो पैसे जाएंगे. So you can see outflow है application side. Purchase of building 160. Fund flow. Now first account we are done with this profit and loss. Profit and loss. This is fund flow. Fund flow. Right. First account done. Leave it. Now depreciation on this is 50,000. Okay, and this one is sale 50,000. So both amounts will write. This will profit and loss account debit side. This will go in a fund flow sources side. 50,000, 50,000, 50,000 depreciation, 50,000 inflow as a sale. 50,000 depreciation of machine. Here I am writing. So this plus this depreciation total amount I am writing it here. 1,30,000. Sell किया है 50,000 का. Sale of machinery 50,000. Building was done. Machinery depreciation is done. This is also done. Right? This account is entirely done. Next account, provision for tax. Provision created 60,000. So this account credit side, profit and loss account debit side, this amount provision created 60,000. Let's see your profit and loss account. 2. Provision for tax 60,000. This we have shown. This side is done. This side में एक है tax paid. Tax paid means payment means application fund flow 120 tax paid. This is done. This is done. This is done. Okay, now this provision for dividend. So provision created profit and loss debit 90,000. ये account credit, ये account debit to provision for dividend 90,000. To provision for dividend. Provision for dividend 90,000. Okay. This is done. This side में check करो क्या है. Dividend paid 90,000. Then again dividend paid 30,000. So you can show total amount of dividend paid 90 plus 30 120. Okay. So dividend paid means application payment कर रहे हो, right? So dividend paid. So first we paid 90, then we paid 30 means 1,20,000. You have paid the dividend. Total amount I am showing. Both amounts not required to be shown separately. This is also done. Now go to the furniture account. Sale of furniture hai, you will receive the cash. Fund flow. So sources side 20,000. Furniture account is also done. Last investment 1 lakh increase purchase kya means you will spend the money 1 lakh. So here purchase of long term investment 1 lakh. This is also done. This one we are done with all the accounts. We are done with the statement. Now just close this two. पहले ये close करना है आपको profit and loss account. Find out this side and this side. This side only 1 lakh. This side more. Just find out total. 1,50,000 plus 90,000 plus 60,000 plus 10,000 plus 1,30,000 equals to 4,40,000. So same I'm writing it to this side for balancing the account. Debit credit side same. So out of this 1 lakh is already there. Remaining balance is the balancing amount. By when your debit side is more, this balance is called as funds from operation. If your credit side will be more, here funds lost in operation aega, okay? By funds from operation, out of this 1 lakh is already there, then remaining is 3,40,000. That is funds from operation. If you are getting the funds from operation, means you are going to get the money source. I'm writing it to this side, sources side, funds from operation, 3,40,000 here. So just show the total here, 7,50,000. Check if your other side total is same.
Same ma'am. Same.
So same, 7,50,000.